To add Sony Google TV on Google Home app. To add Sony Google TV to your Google Home app, you want to make sure that both the phone and a TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Then you need to download the Google Home app on your phone as per the Google's instructions. Then you just need to go ahead and in the Google Home app tap the plus button or devices, then go to plus. After which you'll be able to see this looking for devices options. Then you simply need to go ahead and select or choose the options according to Google's instructions as well. Then what you have to do is select the home where you actually want to add the TV. Then some TVs might display a QR code which you can scan with your phone's camera, and the app should automatically find your TV. Select it from the list of the local device, or you could also go ahead and do with this Chromecast or Google TV as well. And what next you just need to do is you have to choose the account, after which you need to choose or create a room in which the home is associated with the TV. The app will guide you through the remaining step, which may include login into your Google account, all that. And using the connected TV, once connected, you could use the Google Assistant on your phone to control your TV. Use your phone as a virtual remote control. You could cast content from your phone to TV, and you could also access control the TV's ambient mode settings as well. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.